Welcome back to KG Fit. Today, we'll break down how to change any habit. Whether breaking a bad habit or creating a new one, understanding how your brain functions is key. Did you know that up to 96% of our daily activities are subconsciously driven? Understanding how to consciously create a healthy habit is vital for anyone who wants to live healthier and reach their goals. So, what exactly is a habit? A habit is a behavior we repeat regularly, often without thinking. Habits shape our daily lives, influencing our well-being and success. Changing habits can profoundly impact our lives. They often create a compounding effect and either make or break our success. Let's break down the habit loop. Cue, routine, and reward. Cue, the trigger that initiates the habit, like a specific time or emotional state. Routine, the action you take in response to the cue, like snacking or exercising. Reward, the positive outcome you receive, reinforcing the habit. Now, let's take a closer look at cues. There are several types of cues. External cues, environmental factors like seeing a coffee shop or smelling coffee can make you crave a latte. Internal cues, emotional or physical states like feeling stressed and wanting to snack, get a drink, or smoke. Social cues are influences from others, like friends inviting you to run or asking you to go out for a drink. Your social circles will affect your behavior and require some observation. Reflect on the people you spend most of your time with. Are they empowering you or limiting you from reaching your goals? Recognizing these cues is crucial for changing habits and transforming your life. Let's talk about the routine. It's the action you take in response to the cue. For example, if you're bored, you might snack on junk food. If you're anxious, you might go for a run. Identifying your routine is the first step to change. Any habit is driven by a neurological release and changes in neurotransmitter levels. Let's look deeper and discuss the reward. This is the benefit you receive after completing the routine. The challenge is, though, that your brain doesn't know which habits are healthy for you and which ones are not. Rewards can be instant, like eating something sweet. You experience a positive feeling from eating sugar due to the release of serotonin into your brain, which makes you feel good. Or the delayed emotional shift, like the benefits of regular exercise and the dopamine release that changes your state. Remember, nobody ever says that they shouldn't have trained. You always feel better after your training. Positive outcomes reinforce the habit as well as repetition. Create an awareness of what motivates you and also change the neuroassociations, which means that you attach more positive emotions to the desired new habit and negative ones to the old habit. Different triggers creating the same routine. Different triggers can unlock the same routine. For example, going for a run can be triggered by various cues. The morning sunlight, feeling anxious, or looking at the scale. Stacking triggers can help you adapt and change habits effectively. Strategies for changing habits. How can you change your habits? Here are a few strategies. Identify and modify cues. Recognize and change your cues. Alter the routine. Replace undesirable routines. Adjust the reward. Make it appealing. With awareness and the right strategies, you can change your habits. Remember to create the changes in written form first and to track your progress. I greatly appreciate being part of your transformation. Like, subscribe for more content on physical and mental improvement. Your KG Fit.